always gravitated towards working in metal ever since I was exposed to it. Within the past few years, getting to the point where I can tackle a large piece.
Yeah, I'm trying to take that little kink out of there.
We relate to human faces. It's something I've always wanted to conquer. I mean, I think it has something to do with Gutzon Borglum carving Mount Rushmore. When I was a kid, we used to see those photographs of the little guy perched on the nose of Mount Rushmore. And I was always intrigued with the scale, to take the human face and do it in a grand scale. We had a dream one night that there was this giant bird in the backyard. And I woke up and I thought about it and I said, wow, that was kind of frightening.
Just drill one, make sure it's good.
We usually take the small size of birds to be so innocuous and unthreatening. And when you do it in a large size, it changes your relationship to it.
This is awesome. Almost soft.
Yeah, thank you. I think it really looks good there.
So devastating to get a prognosis like that you've got Parkinson's, and you could end up in a wheelchair or worse. My case so far has manifested itself in a severe tremor on my right side. I don't seem to have any other symptoms. The severe tremor, as you could see, is a constant muscle action, and it makes it very, very difficult. It's very scary, and I think that the fear, the anxiety, and the stress was the worst part of it.
You're going to have to go through it.
My shaking has become a feature of the work, because you could tell that my signature isn't perfect, the welds aren't perfect, but it's like the slight imperfections that give it character, perhaps.
If you grind it, it'll come in further?
I pretty much try to take it day by day, and if the time comes when I can't weld, I'll figure out another way. You have to concentrate on what you can do and your attributes rather than your deficits, because if you concentrate on what you can't do, it breeds a negative effect. I want to continue to progress. I mean, that's why we're all on this earth. We want to, do the best we can and be fulfill as much of our potential as possible.